I got my vehicle sitting over here so I can work on them easier. Got our pole saw. I tell you, this morning I picked up 2 strollers. They're just like these. So they're actually out there dumped in my hopper car right now. So I'll go out there and get them tomorrow. So I take all the fabric and crap out of it. They're covered in like mold and mildew and all kind of crap. So we'll rip those apart tomorrow and bring them down here. Plus, I picked up what? I picked up 4 bicycles this week, something like that. Yeah, it was definitely this week. So we got like 8 wheels. There are about 8 wheels. I tell you what, we got enough to build 2 more vehicles. Today we're gonna do the weed spray, and then we'll do the head steering one. We'll do one for each. There's my tie crane sitting there without its trailer, which actually that's what the gondola is for. It's gonna have the gondola in front of it. It's gonna scoot the ties out of it. There's my electromagnet. I tell you what, that's a hard debate. Which one do I want to finish first, electromagnet or pole saw? I mean, it's a hard one. You get just as much fun with both, magnet and pole saw. Tell you what, here's my pole saw. Then just cut a little groove in the 2-inch pipe. Just slid that other piece in and put 2 screws in it. It just slides in and out. Tell you, it's not attached yet. I mean, you don't have to worry either, because this saw's going to spin at 1/10 of what that normal speed was. And you can see it. I mean, that looks nice. That's a beautiful design. Now I just got to figure out how to extend it and raise and lower it. I think raise and lower is going to be one option, and the other one's going to be extend. I tell you what, you could not use this without the extension piece. I mean, the extending piece is actually the most essential part. I mean, you can raise and lower that boom, but without the extension, you couldn't reach anything. I mean, it'd be so difficult to judge where that is. So all I need to do is mount the saw on here. And basically I'm going to put like a piece hanging down here, and then it's going to pinch a branch in there and cut it. I'll tell you, it would have been ridiculous putting the weed spray and all the crap in one. Like the hedge trimmer in the front there, it's just not going to happen. So I need what? 3 options. 4. Raise, lower, extend, power to saw. It's really not that bad. It's a lot better than what the 13 or 14 we put in originally. You know, it'd be physically impossible to do that. There's my cart sitting there. My hand power cart. I tell you, that's a nice color on that, jeez. I'll tell you what, we got everything we need to paint this stuff over here. So every time I went to the store, I grabbed a couple more cans of spray paint. And you can see how much I got there. Look at all that. It's filled the entire way. There's probably about 100 cans in there. So we got every color we need to finish all this stuff. So I'm gonna go to the store and grab some flat black and some Day-Glo green. There's a couple more things of safety gear I'm gonna buy too. Because as you know, these worked so well for me. First time I wore it and I hit by a car within 5 minutes. And that worked so well. I don't know, that's just your luck, Brian. Alright, we're done.